I'm Tracy Grisman. I'm doing a show with a good friend who passed away this last year, and her name is Carolyn Watts. I met Carolyn when she had dementia. I helped her in her studio once a week for about a year and a half, and we got to know each other so well. We love music, we love art, we love color, we love life together. And we would dance and laugh, and I'd be going through boxes and boxes of her ephemera and all these things, and she would tell me stories. And so it's just been such an honor and a delight. Carolyn's artwork just really explodes on the wall, and I love to see it. I'm just honored to have my stuff next to hers.
My name is Georgia Johnson. I am the box office and gallery manager here at Field Hall. It's really been an honor to exhibit both Carolyn and Tracy's work. It's two really amazing and unique artists having a conversation with each other. Anybody who loves art, loves friendship, science, or music, all of these people will get something out of Life Force.
Just kind of alchemy with friendship and art and life. You know, just how you can work together and you know, really have a friendship and love for each other and just combine your stuff and see what happens, you know. I think she'd be proud of this show, and that makes me feel really good.
Life Force will be on exhibit from January 30th to April 6th. The gallery hours are Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tracy will also be doing some live painting dates here of other volunteers in our community. One will be February 2nd from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the other will be March 8th from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. I invite you to come by and watch her process.